And then underneath, obviously we hit it with a little bit of rust encapsulator black paint afterwards, but the video that you see earlier was before we did that, so that way you can see that there's nothing trying to be hid. But you can see it's, I mean, this is the front, so the fronts are usually always better, but you can see, I mean, the frame still has the original weather seal, and then like this was when we pressure washed it, so this is all factory. It hasn't been, you know, worn down or anything like that. Things like this is just it's really just, I mean, not even surface rust. It looks worse in the video than in the actual, in real life. I think it's just the way the light hits it. And then obviously I have the video back there as well. But this one's going to be a little bit harder to see, and obviously the worst part of everything is always going to be back here, and you can see it's all solid, not a single bit of anything funny. I mean, factory rubber undercoating still, so really in tip-top shape.